Hi, I am Sadia Dwi from CA List in Paris, and I am going to present the CANVAAS project. New advances in manufacturing technologies has driven the evolution of manufacturing architectures from the traditional automation pyramid to an integrated network of smart devices, applications, and services. One of the greatest challenges in this new Industry 4.0 architectures is interoperability. And in the CANVAAS project, we are implementing the Asset Administration Shell standard to ensure interoperability. So we are 6 partners, 3 research institutes, CALIST from France, Polimi from Italy, DFKI from Germany, and 3 industrials, Sherpa Engineering, Whirlpool, and Festo Didactics, which is the business champion of the CANVAAS project. So altogether, we are implementing a user-friendly tool that tests and validates the Asset Administration Shell standard. The toolset is based on 2 open source tools, Papyrus for modeling and deploying the AAS models, and Basics for their execution. The CANVAAS toolset will make part of Festo Didactics learning systems, and by this we are aiming to 20% increase in the skilled workforce ready for Industry 4.0 new challenges and technologies. So what's next? The CANVAAS toolset will be available for free and with an open source license by the end of the year 2020, December 2020, in the Eclipse platform. Also, next year, CANVAAS 2 will focus on the security challenge by providing access control policies such as encryption and authentication for the AES models, and also we will focus on the runtime monitoring to go further in the digital twin implementation.